Hi everybody, this is Pat. I'm going to get right into what I want to show you today. This will be a walkthrough, a flip through of a notebook that I made. Comes very handy, very compact, easy to make. Anyone can make this. And it holds 400 pages. Now this is great for anything. School, work, at home. I have one, I'll show you in a minute how I use it. I keep all my notes from my channel on. I also added an address section. Mine is really stuffed, and it takes a beating because it's laminated. Now you do need a laminator. You can make it without a laminator. I would suggest when you're finished making the cover, you would spray it with 2 light coats of a clear glossy spray, and that'll protect it. It won't keep it as sturdy as laminating it will, but that'll work. And you also won't be able to make, I don't know if you can see, there's a clear pocket on the front here that we make when we laminate it. It's not added on, it's right in the lamination. And it holds notes, things for the day, whatever. It has an elastic closure. I've used 2mm corded binding elastic. My pen also stayed right inside there when I have it closed. So this is the cover. This is the front. I've made on my spine a little note that says miscellaneous notes. Back is the same. Here's our closure, it comes out the side. When you open it up, you have 6 elastics in here. Now right now in this one I have 5 notebooks that hold 80 pages each, which is a lot of notes. Easy to write in. I've used copy paper for this. I printed my pages out. You can just use plain copy paper, no lines. And here are the elastics. Here's one of the elastics. This is the first one. That's what holds them in. Now when these are full, you can actually slide it out and replace it. So it's a very handy notebook to have. And you notice the size, it's very compact. Would fit into your bag. Any type bag you use for work, school, at home. And then the pen, I just lay it in here after I close the closure, and it stays in there. Just clip on your little clip. Oops, there we go. And it's snuggled inside the cover, so you always have your pen handy. I'm going to show you mine, how I've used it. I use it for my channel, all my notes, my information. I have an address section. See on mine, here's my front cover. I have lots of notes in here that'll transfer into my book. When you open it up, they don't fall out of the pocket. It's clear. I have something I've been looking for. One of my notebooks. All sorts of notes in here. Mine, I have a weekly planner. I have my notes. Lots of notes. I have a page marker. Excuse me. I have this one I had made a pen holder. Don't need it though. Like I said, it stays inside there. And an extra notebook tucked in here. These are notes on things I've been making. Here I have a folder I made. Some extra jump bands. When I take out a notebook to store it away and replace it, I just put on a jump band and it stays together. Notes. And here's the back. No pocket on the back, no pocket on the inside front. That would add too much bulk. But it's really very useful. I've been using this for years. I keep a lot of notes of things that I learn about. making YouTube videos or anything that has to do with my channel. So it's all in here. There's my address section. I wanted to show you that one. I do have to make tabs for myself. I think I took it out. Nope, here it is. I have a whole address section. They do mail a lot of things out, cards and things, so I have addresses in here. But you set it up the way you want it, and it's very handy. You can add more tabs in here if you want, or little tabs on the page edges. Separated. So I hope you make one. I have in the description box below, there's a link. There's only 3 videos to making this. Go take a look. Very simple. You'll be glad you did. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and leave me a comment. Also, if you have any suggestions on things you'd like to see me make, leave them in the comments below. And hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified when the next video is up. Okay, thank you for coming. I'll see you soon. Bye.